Hello everyone, I am Punyakirti BL. Welcome back to my Generative AI learning series. In today's video, we will answer a simple but important question: why are large language models or LLMs called large? Don't worry, I will explain it in simple English with examples and analogies, so it's easy for everyone to understand. So, what does large mean? When we say LLMs are large, we are talking about their size in terms of parameters. Parameters are like tiny knobs or switches inside the model that help it learn patterns in language. The more parameters it has, the better it can understand and generate text. For example, GPT-2 had about 1.5 billion parameters. GPT-3 had 1.175 billion, and modern models like GPT-4, Claude or Gemini have trillions. That's why we call them large. So next question will be, why so many parameters? But why do LLMs need so many parameters? Language is extremely complex. It's not just words, it includes context, meaning, reasoning, and sometimes creativity. A small model with few parameters is like a basic calculator. It can do simple tasks. A large model with billions of parameters can reason, solve problems, and even write code or poetry. That's the real power of being large. Parameters alone are not enough. LLMs are trained on massive amounts of data, the internet, books, research papers, and even code. The more data they see, the better they learn patterns. This allows LLMs to answer questions, summarize text, write code, or generate creative content. Let's see how LLMs have grown over time. In 2019, GPT-2 had 1.5 billion parameters. By 2020, GPT-3 jumped to 175 billion parameters. Today, models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini have trillions of parameters. This shows how the large part of LLMs keeps increasing, making them more capable every year. So, but does bigger always mean better? Not exactly. Larger models usually perform better, but they also cost more to run and require more computing power. Researchers are now working on smarter model designs so that even smaller models can be very effective. So, size matters, but efficiency and smart design matter too. To summarize today's lesson, large language models are called large because they have billions or even trillions of parameters. They are trained on massive data from books, internet, and code. Bigger models are more capable, but efficiency and smart design are also important. That's the key to understanding why LLMs are called large. That's it today. Thank you for watching. I am Punyakirti BL. In the next video, we will explore the core abilities of LLMs, what they can do from conversation to coding. See you in next session.